And I'm pleased about this, the Frontline.
My goodness, I have to say this is a very big surprise. It's a new program. We're not even, well, we're a program after halfway through our first run. So, I don't know. This is the team, by the way, small team. Stephen, Mairead, Aoife, and the producer, David Nally. The Frontline was born out of a unique confluence of events. My esteemed senior colleague, John Bowman, moving on to prepare for RT's anniversary on television, and therefore something to replace questions and answers. I move on from The Late Late Show, a worldwide global recession and a disaster of an economy in Ireland. So I'd like to thank the politicians for making the Frontline very interesting indeed. I want to thank IFTA, of course, for this wonderful award. I want to thank my team and all the other people, the technical people who make it happen every Monday night. And particularly I want to thank the invisible member of my team, whether doing Today Tonight all those years ago, onto Kenny Live, The Late Late Show, and onto the Frontline. Without Kathy, it could not have happened. So thanks to her. And thank you everyone for watching.